Hi, welcome to Nina in the Kitchen, where today I'm delighted to bring you bananas Foster. I have the original recipe from Brennan's Restaurant, New Orleans. The recipe that will be posted on my blog will be for a serving of 4 to 6. Today I'm going to make half of that, so this will serve 2. And here's what the ingredients are. I have my pan on medium-high heat. I'm going to put in 4 tablespoons of butter and 1/2 cup of brown sugar. That's packed brown sugar. This is going to melt and get caramely and delicious. At Brennan's, they serve this tableside. This dish comes from the 1950s. It was created in the early 50s at Brennan's, and at that time, New Orleans was a big port, or a big seaport, that brought in bananas. So what you want to do is get this kind of caramely, just stir it on occasion. That takes about 4 minutes, then we go to the next step. At this point, I'm putting in, now you can see it's nice and bubbly and caramely, so there goes my cinnamon. That was a 1/4 teaspoon. And that was a banana liqueur. And the reason for that, you don't have to use it, but it does make a difference. It really beefs up the banana flavor. And then of course the bananas go in. And they're going to just get caramely and delicious. It smells so good. I'm going to turn this down before my caramel burns. But you just want this to be coated with caramel. It's so good. This is such an easy dessert. This is a dessert that if you have bananas in the house, you can most likely make this at a moment's notice. It just takes a few minutes, a little sugar, a little butter, and you're there. These bananas have been cooking for about 3 minutes, that's all. And while they were cooking, I put together some bowls of good quality ice cream. And now you want to get a torch or lighter. Be very careful. If you're working under a range hood, you might want to do the flambe away from your range hood. So just be very careful about what is around this. But here goes some rum. I'm using a dark rum, but of course you can use a white rum. And there it is. There's the flambe. I don't know if you can see it. And as soon as those flames die down, you're ready to serve. And by now, this caramel is just beautiful. It's thick, it's rich. And in New Orleans, this is how you eat your fruit. I hope you tried this dish. You saw how fast it went together. It's so rich and sexy. It really is sexy. So I hope you try this. Please let me know if you do. Thank you so much for watching Nina in the Kitchen. Please like and subscribe. Look me up on Facebook. And I hope to hear from you. Bye, guys.